Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. And let's do a looser unboxing. And the other day I went to Costco and I found that they had a new glasses. And a couple of days ago I went to my optometrist. I went to my professional optometrist. Where is the word? Optometrist. I went to my eye doctor to do my annual check, and she said maybe I should have a driving glass a little bit more advanced than the one I am using now. So here it is. And the Costco, from time to time, they have a designer. Oh, that's a little bit. Oh, that's. You feel a little bit bouncing. Yeah, it's kind of. And from time to time, Costco have these. Oh, that's good. Have this special designer collaboration or designer set. So I found it's not bad, and I feel the size looks good. And I do not like glasses with this. It just make my nose two very dark points. So I would prefer to use this kind. Oh, it's perfect. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is perfect for distance. Perfect. So when I was driving, or yeah, it so good. I am very, very, very happy. So this is a looser unboxing. I bought it myself. And from time to time, I got friends say, why you say it's a looser unboxing? It's not a kind word to use. Looser unboxing means I use my money to buy it, so the product is good. It means that it's not sponsored. It's I volunteer to buy it. Anyway, I like it. And they have another style also, but do not have the exact degree I need. I am okay with it. Let me see how I look. Not bad at all. Whoosh. Try this one. It's a little bit too loud, right? This is a dark one. This is even darker. Wow. And there is no distortion. Pretty good. No distortion. Now we try this one. I like it. See, not too bad. I need to wear my own glasses, reading glasses, driving. Not too bad, right? Ooh, the black one is quite interesting. And now they call it stylish. Big frame is the new style. This is the dark one. Not too bad, right? Okay, that's about it. I kind of like it. So I will put it in my car, and also it will be good if I am in the middle of the class. I can, oh wow, as a teacher, wow, this is very good. Thank you very, very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Bye bye, friend.